Hey all, welcome back to yet another video. Hope you all are doing good. A lot of people have been asking me to update about the new house and also if we already moved. We haven't moved in yet. The interior work is going on now. It's getting delayed due to all that's going on in the world. We are hoping to move in as soon as possible. So today I'll take you around the new house. Though it's all raw, messy, dirty and not what you would expect from the house. Nevertheless, this entire process of rawness to neatness is indeed an experience. One thing we wanted to do in this house was to create some sort of privacy in the dining area so it's not visible from the front door. Hence, we decided on this wooden room divider or partition panels. A home should always be a reflection of who you are. I was very clear that I wanted a very modern and Scandinavian theme for my house from the start. So that is why you may see a lot of clean minimalistic decor. We also decided to break the wall on the side of the kitchen entrance to make it look visually bigger. At the same time, accommodate a breakfast table here. We removed the door separating the kitchen and utility area as it makes it look less cramped. We covered the utility area with UPVC shutter windows so the door had no purpose really. We put these wooden panels on the sides of the wall and I think this little changes has made such a big difference to the entire house. We went for this simple brick design white tiles for the utility area which goes with our current beige colored tiles in the kitchen provided by the builder. We also shifted the electrical and plumbing points according to the design made by our designer. These are some very important points you should consider while designing your home. My favorite part has to be this balcony accent wall. It's in rustic brick style. Also, we have closed both the balconies with sliding French doors which lets us open it fully when we want to. At the same time, close it and convert it into a room. This is the TV panel area of the living room where a lot of work is still pending. One aesthetic aspect that you may want to consider while designing your home is to start high, like rafters or hang curtains from the ceiling. This tricks your eye and gives any space an enlarged look. Other is the art of repetition. Choose a color and design theme that would run through the house. For us, we chose wood and white color and we went for mostly vertical design as you can see, which included wooden rafters, borders, trim, etc. It's best to avoid too many design changes in one space. We have tried to keep at least one accent wall in every room. We really liked the idea of wall trims on Pinterest. Though it's still raw, I hope it turns out well after the work is complete. Like I said, we also decided to cover both our balconies with sliding French doors so that we can think of turning this into a small room or study later. The wooden frame you see is going to be a giant full-size mirror for the bedroom wall. Another design or change worth considering when doing the interiors of your home is false ceiling. It does make a big difference and instantly gives the house that fancy look. I will update you more on the progress with more information in my upcoming videos. Hope it helps you a little in designing your space too. Now let's get back to my real world. I have to rush to make lunch. I have planned on making thali last night and now I'm late. Hope lunch gets ready on time because we all are very hungry. Here I am making dahi lokki. For that I have added oil and dropped in some mustard seeds, curry leaves and green chilies along with some onions, tomatoes and lokki with salt, haldi, red chili powder, jeera and coriander powder. While that's getting cooked, I'm quickly going to make some palak dal. I'll add red dried chilies to the oil, then onions, tomatoes and cut spinach and cook it well before I add the boiled masoor dal. For masala, I have only added turmeric and red chili powder. Also, I'll pressure cook the lokki for 2 whistles and once it's cooked and cooled down, I will mix some besan and water to curd and then add it to the lokki curry. Next, I'm going to make some jeera aloo with this baby potatoes. I have made a masala mix of jeera, coriander, fennel seeds, dry red chilies and amchur powder by dry roasting and grinding it. With that, lunch is done. A little time consuming and tiring, but all worth at the end. Thali is always such a comfort food. Like we say, maza aa gaya.
Papa, can't you see auntie's clean and...
Come, work it.
Kaya's schooling and extra online classes continue amidst all that's going on. Sometimes me and mostly Parth sits through some of these classes.
Hello.
Hello, my name's Elizabeth. What's your name?
My name is Kaya.
Oh, you have a beautiful name, Kaya. And how old are you?
I'm 6.
And where...
Cambly is still our go-to class for whenever she needs some practice communicating with teachers from other nationalities. Tutors on Cambly Kids are native English speakers from UK, USA, Canada, etc. And all classes are one-on-one over video chat and can be done 24/7.
July.
Good. And the next month is August, then September.
The lesson plan covers grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, accent training, and tutors teach in the most fun and engaging way, making the child very comfortable. The curriculum details are available on the website.
Oh, it was real.
No, not even fairies are real.
It is ideal for those parents who want their children to overcome their shyness and become smart and confident speakers. Cambly Kids is certified by the Kids Safe Seal program and is marked as a child-friendly website. Cambly Kids are also a regular sponsor of my content and have agreed to offer a special discount of 33% on 3 months and 50% on a 6-month plan just for my viewers. Use my code DDSPECIAL to avail this offer. Links are in the description box below.
He's going to have a superhero party.
He is. Now there's a couple of questions. What month is his birthday party in? Which birthday cake would you choose for Johnny? Bye-bye, darling. Bye-bye.
Bye.
I have been delaying cleaning some parts of my kitchen for long. My chimney filter accumulated so much of oil and grease, it badly needed to be cleaned. It's advised to do it once every 2 months at least. For the cleaning, I'm going to sprinkle some baking soda, citric acid and vinegar on the filters and add some boiling hot water to it. The hot water will help to release the stubborn grease. While it's soaking, I will clean the shelves. Since these two shelves are right beside my gas stove, it tends to get greasy quite a lot. I'm using the half vinegar, half water and few drops of dish soap solution that I make at home. You must have seen me using it all the time. And since the cabinets here are also near the gas stove, it equally gets greasy. I'm also going to clean the microwave with the same solution. I was delaying cleaning this for quite some time now. Finally, it's clean. Now I will scrub the chimney filters with an old toothbrush. The vinegar and citric acid helped a lot to remove most of the grease, and this looks so clean now. These cups are from IKEA and are my absolute favorites. I have read a quote once which said something like, "When you start loving crockeries more than clothes, you know you are maturing." I would say it's a sign of aging too, I guess. It's Kaya's ballet dance class performance day, and she said, "Mama, it's a big day for me." She had to dress up like Belle. Every day as a homemaker, one of the things which worries us is what to make for each meals. Something which will be quick and at the same time delicious so that everyone eats it, including my 6-year-old. Today in the menu for dinner was some authentic Asian noodles and chili chicken. One trick here while making chili chicken: if you don't want to deep fry the chicken, just add some salt, pepper and flour to the chicken and mix it well before frying. This will help in trapping the water in the chicken and not let it out, making it juicy and easy to fry it. Check this out, there's no water in the karai. Usually when we fry chicken in oil, the chicken leaves a lot of water out, right? To the karai, I'll add some minced garlic, green chilies, ginger, onions, and once it's well fried, I will add the fried chicken pieces along with some soy sauce, vinegar, red chili sauce and tomato ketchup. While the chicken is getting boiled to a wok, I'll add some oil and sliced onions with some grated carrots and add the boiled noodles to it and mix it well along with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Here the chicken is also ready and I'm going to add a little bit of corn flour to it to give it that restaurant feel. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked it. I'll see you soon with a new video. Till then, take care and stay safe. Bye.